Hi, this is Mike with RIVA Racing, and today we're going to go over a how-to for installing a watercraft cover. If you store your watercraft outside on a trailer or on a floating dock, the sun can be pretty brutal on the seat cover, the hood, the paint, the graphics. A cover will keep it fresh and clean looking, that way it will hold its value. The first step that's important is when you receive your cover from us, make sure you check the invoice and then check the cover to make sure you receive the correct one before you unbox it. It's really hard to get it back in the box once you take it out. Once you've unboxed your cover, open it up and identify the front and the rear. The rear has the vents. The front will have a tag that has the identification for the part number and the model on it. After you identify the front, lay the cover over the craft so the front is near the handlebars and identify the pockets where the hand grips will go. All right, take the front of the cover, fold it back over itself, take the pocket for the hand grip, put it over the grip, put the cover over your craft, and then pull the hand grip in real tight. Go around to the other side. Do the same thing. Once the grip is in the pocket, you're ready to go to the next step. Now, take the front of the cover, pull it forward over the craft and over the bow, both sides, so it lines up. Finally, you'll go to the back of the craft, take one corner, pull it over the corner cap, follow the cover around to the other side, pull the other corner over. You have a boarding step, pull it out of the way, and there you go. Some covers are equipped with a clip on each side that enables you to secure the cover at the rail. That way it doesn't sag, or when you're trailering it, it doesn't get blown around. It's tight. All covers are equipped with a bungee that draws them tight. You may need to tighten this up some more if you find that when trailering, your cover is flopping around or the back of the cover comes off of the rear of the craft. Just pull it out and tie a knot to shorten it. You'll notice your new watercraft cover is a little tight the first time you put it on. After installing it a few times, it'll become more compliant and make it easier to install every time.